There's a silence that follows failure, a silence that screams louder than words. You lie there staring at the ceiling, wondering how everything fell apart. You gave everything you had and somehow it still wasn't enough. You think this is the end, but it's not. This is the beginning of your becoming. You needed to break, because the old you couldn't carry what's coming next. Listen to me. When life rips everything away, it's not cruelty, it's clarity. The people who left, the doors that closed, the failures that cut deep. They weren't punishment, they were preparation. You can't build a new structure on a rotten foundation, so life destroyed the old one. That's why you're here. Broken, yes, but not beaten. The storm didn't come to destroy you, it came to reveal you. To strip away the weak layers until only truth remained. You think you've lost everything, but what you really lost were the illusions. Now you can rebuild with honesty, purpose, and strength. Remember this. Diamonds aren't made in light. They're made in pressure, in darkness, in pain. So don't fear the fall. Embrace it. Because the fall is where the rebirth begins. This isn't the end of your story. It's the first chapter of your comeback. It's the fire that melts away weakness, excuses, and fear. You think your pain broke you, but it didn't. It built you. Every scar you carry is a lesson carved in your skin. Every betrayal, every sleepless night, every rejection, those were the flames shaping your soul. Stop running from them. Stop asking, why me? And start declaring, try me. Do you know what fire does? It destroys the unnecessary. It burns away what doesn't belong, so let it. Let your pain burn away the lies, the doubt, the softness that kept you small. You want to rebuild? Then understand this. Growth doesn't come from comfort. Warriors are not born in peace, they're forged in chaos. You can't rebuild yourself in a warm room with soft words and empty praise. You rebuild in silence, in struggle, in solitude. When life sets you on fire, don't scream, roar. Because inside that flame, you're transforming. You're not who you were yesterday. You're stronger, sharper, more dangerous. Pain is not your enemy, it's your teacher. It's the proof that you're still alive, still in the fight. Let your pain be the reason you rise, not the excuse you stay down. Let it be your weapon. The fire will hurt, yes. But when it's over, you'll stand unshaken. Rebuilt, renewed, reborn, you can rebuild a house. You can rebuild a life. But to rebuild yourself, you must face the reflection staring back at you. You've lied to yourself for too long. You've blamed others. You've hidden behind excuses and fear. But deep down, you know the truth. You let yourself slip. You stopped believing. You got comfortable being average. It's time to face that man in the mirror. The one who settled. The one who stopped fighting. The one who forgot his worth. You can't rebuild until you destroy the version of you that gave up. That old version, weak, hesitant, addicted to comfort, has to die. When you rebuild, you don't patch the cracks, you tear it all down. You dig deep, pour new foundations, and build again, stronger, cleaner, sharper. No one is coming to save you. No miracle is coming. It's you versus you. Every single day, so ask yourself, who wins? The disciplined version or the distracted one? The warrior or the coward? The builder or the victim? Stand in front of the mirror and decide. Because the moment you stop lying to yourself is the moment you start rebuilding for real. You've been running from your reflection for too long. Now it's time to meet your maker and become him. Every day you wake up in a war zone. The enemy isn't out there, it's inside you. It's the voice that says you can rest. It's the whisper that says you've done enough. That voice, it's lying to you. You rebuild yourself not through motivation, but through discipline. Motivation fades, emotion shifts. But discipline is the armor that keeps you unbroken. When you don't feel like it, do it anyway. When you're tired, push harder. When you want to quit, take one more step. Because that's what rebuilds you. The consistency, the grind, the daily war that no one else sees. Discipline is freedom. Freedom from regret. Freedom from weakness. Freedom from the life you said you didn't want. Stop negotiating with your mind. Stop waiting for the right time. There is no right time. There is only now. You say you want to rebuild yourself? Then prove it. Wake up before the sun. Work when others rest. Train when others sleep. Study when others waste time. Because discipline doesn't just build your body, it builds your character. Your spirit, your legacy. Lions don't talk about the hunt. They just hunt. So stop talking about what you'll do tomorrow. Do it today. Do it tired. Do it scared. Do it disciplined. You've walked through fire. You've faced your demons. You've rebuilt your foundation brick by brick through pain and discipline. And still, you're here, look at you. You survived what was meant to destroy you. The world counted you out, but you refused to stay down. You fought battles no one saw, cried tears no one will ever know about, and yet, you kept going. This is your resurrection. You're not who you used to be. You're something new, sharper, wiser, untouchable. The man you were is gone. And the man standing here, he's unbreakable. You see, when you rebuild yourself, you don't just come back. You come back different. The pain that once buried you now fuels you. The scars that once shamed you now crown you. You've been through the darkness, now you carry the fire. You've learned that true power is quiet. True strength doesn't scream. It stands firm in silence. This is your rise, your moment, your victory. The world will look at you and wonder how you did it. They'll never understand because they didn't live your war, so stand tall. Lift your head. Breathe deep. The storm is over. You've been rebuilt, and what you've built can never be broken again.